Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal-stimulated question asked in GATE 2007 EEE paper. The question is, a signal is processed, it is a linked question, right? One and two are linked. So a signal processed by a causal filter with a transfer function g of s. For distortion-free output, the signal g of s must be. We know for distortion-free output, the transfer function should have what you call constant magnitude, right? So the magnitude response should be constant. Magnitude response should be constant. Phase response should be linear. Phase response should be linear. So this is the condition. So for distortion-free output, linear phase should, that is proportional to frequency. Phase response linear is phase must be proportional to frequency, that is phi is equal to minus k omega, like that it will come, right? So option C is the right answer. Second question is, what we are going to see is, so here they are asking g of s z is equal to alpha z power minus 1 plus beta z power minus 3 is a low pass filter with the phase characteristics same as that of the above equation if, see, as I told, the magnitude should be constant and phase should be linear for any filter, right? So here for distortion free, what is the condition? Phase should be linear phase, right? So z power minus 1 will be equal to e power minus j omega. We know z is equal to e power j omega. That is the relation between z and omega. Similarly, z power minus 3 will be equal to e power minus j3 omega. So this is the phase condition. See, first we are making it as a, in terms of frequency, right? So for amplification, what is the another condition I told? For amplification of frequency component, what are the frequency component? Minus omega and minus j, omega and 3 omega, right? What should be the condition? The magnitude should be same, right? So that is alpha and beta should be having the same value, right? Then only it will allow the frequency. So alpha must be equal to beta. So the answer is option A. Thank you.